Multiplication of rational expressions. Multiplication of rational expressions is carried out in the same way as the multiplication of rational numbers, where the numerators are multiplied separately as well as the denominators. In symbols, we have the following shown on screen. For example, we have the following shown on screen. We have the following shown on screen. Example. Calculate the following products of rational expressions and write the results in the simplest form. We have the following shown on screen. Solution. A. We have the following shown on screen. Cancelling out the like terms yields, we have the following shown on screen. B. We have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 11.4.5. To continue this tutorial, please watch 11.4.6, the division of rational expressions. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.